Good day, this is Jeff from the National Weather Service in Missoula. Today's January 19th, and here's your recorded planning briefing for this week. There's a few highlights for this week. High pressure comes in later today. It's actually working its way in right now and providing some sunshine. Stable conditions will jump in tonight, and freezing fog will be possible in most of the valleys. And then there's some very low chance of some light snow that could occur tomorrow. During Monday. Not a lot of confidence on that one. And then some valley freezing rain snow mix, and mountain snow returns on Tuesday. Looks like there should be a burst of snow with the cold front as it gets here Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening. Snow will linger on Wednesday, and then Thursday onward kind of get into a little bit warmer pattern. Mild temperatures, continued precipitation in north central Idaho and northwest Montana, and mostly in the mountain passes for snow. For the threat matrix, mostly highlighting Monday just for freezing fog. Tuesday, snow on passes mostly early in the day. For Tuesday, snow, maybe a little bit of freezing rain in northwest Montana. Wednesday, highlighted pretty much everywhere for light snow. We have a colder overall scenario, and there will mostly be showery, so nothing consistent but some snow. And then out here Thursday, Friday, confidence is not quite as high on the precipitation, but highlighted some mountain pass snow for those days and maybe a return of freezing rain for northwest Montana valleys. Let's first talk about the timing for precipitation. Here's a simulated model that seems to be doing a pretty good job, and it is showing some returns showing up in Idaho tonight. And this is not very well captured by any of the model guidance. There's no precipitation showing up with this, so it may be one of those where early on we don't see any snow out of this, but I wouldn't be surprised if some of the higher elevations have a little bit of snow in Idaho in the morning. And then that expands through the area during Monday. So where it once looked like this would be just a very dry period with some high pressure and fog, it looks like we might end up with a brief period of fog, but then some precip that comes in over the top during the day. Model guidance don't really do a good job with these really light precipitation scenarios, and in turn it makes it difficult on us forecasters. So keep an eye on the forecast for Monday because things could be changeable. But as you see, there's these returns hang around for a lot of the day, and then we see them mostly work their way out by Monday night. But Tuesday morning, there's some weak returns that are showing up in northwest Montana. You see some of these little bullseyes. If this were to happen, we probably won't have enough ice in the clouds, so we'd need to watch out for some light freezing rain during Tuesday morning. And then moisture really increases during Tuesday. We start to see it Tuesday morning in Idaho. It works its way over into western Montana during the day. And this is pretty much right along the cold front in here, and we should see some pretty intense precipitation during this time frame, and going from either a rain snow mix to back to snow. And this model runs out here at 5 p.m. Tuesday, but this front would continue through the evening and overnight, so most places will see some type of precip on Tuesday. As for those areas Tuesday morning that have the best chance to see some freezing rain, here's some percentage chance for freezing rain, and we have a little bit of a chance for Kalispell and up north. So northwest Montana, and as we get closer to the Canadian border, these are where freezing rain is possible. For some point specific, LookoutPass has some snow. It may end up seeing some snow here early on where we don't have it highlighted, but it does look like Tuesday, Wednesday onward should have some snow, and similar story for LookoutPass. Out here in the extended time of our forecast period, so Thursday, some higher pressure is supposed to get here. These lines here are representing high pressure, and this could put an end to some precip for a little bit, but there's some question on how much moisture may end up coming in here from the southwest. And as we move forward in time, this flow gets a little bit more directed right out of the southwest, and we should end up seeing moisture that comes through, and this usually favors the northern clearwaters up through northwest Montana. So we need to keep an eye out for that because it could end up being a time frame where places like Lookout Pass start snowing sometime during Thursday and just continue on into the weekend. But that's all we have for today. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.